many loads of laundry do you do each day? I don't know about you, but we have 4 kids, so it feels like I'm constantly doing laundry. And I wanted to find a way to A, save money, and B, eliminate some of the chemicals from my laundry. So I'm Jessica Stortz with Stortz Wellness and an independent Shaklee distributor. And back 12 years ago, when I was pregnant with my first baby, I decided that I was going to buy this Draft laundry soap. I'm sure you've heard of it. And I thought I was doing a good thing, but little did I know that it actually wasn't the best thing for my baby. It was loaded with chemicals and additives, and it had this really strong fragrance. So then I switched to all free and clear, thinking that I was still doing a great thing because I didn't have that smell and that in there, but a friend told me, no, actually there's still a lot of chemicals and additives in there. So that's when I found Shaklee about 5 years ago, and we started using their laundry soap. The 32-ounce bottle, I just use 1 pump, which is about a 1/4 ounce, and I get 128 loads out of this bottle. Cleans the laundry great. That comes out to be about 10 cents-ish a load. I also use the fabric sheets I have dryer balls, but when I want to get rid of static, I use these dryer sheets, and they're great because they're easily torn in half. So I can use less, and they're biodegradable. The last product with the laundry, and by the way, there's also liquid laundry, is the Nature Bright. And it is a product that sat on my shelf for the longest time because I didn't know how to use it, but it's a laundry booster and stain remover. So here I have some iodine, and they actually tell you to use a full scoop in your load of laundry, but I will only use like a 1/2 of a scoop or even a 1/4. But I'm just gonna pour a little bit of that in there and mix up, and you watch what happens. So it takes it all right out. Great product. So there's natural, biodegradable surfactants, no phosphates in these products. Really a wonderful deal. I'll have a video montage that has a few more pictures of how these products are used. But if you have any questions, contact us or check out some of our other videos.